Hey everyone, today we are visiting College Park's newest subdivision, Hawthorne Station, built by Rocklyn Homes in South Fulton. This community is minutes from the best of Atlanta, easy access to downtown, the Delta Museum, Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport, dining, retail, and more. Hawthorne Station will have 4 building plan options. This floor plan is the Hartsfield plan. It consists of 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2,066 square feet, with the owner's suite on the main level. Make sure to check out this community's other floor plans right here on my page. Please enjoy this property tour. Thank you so much for watching. If you're looking to relocate to the Atlanta metro area, give me a call or text me. I can't wait to become your lifetime realtor.